Give a huge round of applause for the wonderful Sandro.
Hello. Hi, guys. I'm keeping it fresh. I'm keeping it unorganized here, just like I am in my own kitchen.
Love it.
A lot of fucking around. But I got some help today. Does anyone watch Bake Off Professionals?
Yes.
Yes? Yes?
Yes.
All right. Come on, Bake Off Pros. They're going to come and help me out here.
Yay, come on. Round of applause,
Round of
please,
applause,
ladies and
guys.
gentlemen. Hiya. And what's your name?
My name's Kate.
I'm Hayley.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, so cute rolling pin from Amy's Sweet Stamps, which is over there, if anyone wants this cute rolling pin. So yeah, we just roll, right? Let's get some
Let
ice
it
sugar
roll.
so that it stick to the surface.
So
There we
was
go.
it really high pressure? Oh, you're going to be rolling. Was it high pressure?
Yeah, it was super intense. So we had 4 hours really to do a like a 3-foot sculpture as well as like a 5-layer dessert, and it was so crazy. Especially we hadn't worked with chocolate that much, and suddenly we're having to make these like massive sculptures, and we only had like literally a few weeks to sort of learn really quickly how to use chocolate and sugar and everything. It was really intense, but it was an amazing experience. It was great.
Oh, wow, you're brave. I don't think I could do it, to be honest. In fact, I definitely couldn't do it.
It was a YOLO moment. It was definitely a YOLO moment.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's good to do these things.
I'm actually going to.
And,
Yeah, doing the whole sides, everything.
and how did you meet Sandro? Is it just from today, or?
We met him at Cake International a couple of weeks ago, and then we bumped into him before, and it was, do we want to come and help? So yeah.
Amazing. I love it. What was it? Illuminati of? Is it, no, maybe not. You know when you've been on the same thing. Alumni. I knew it was something. What's Illuminati? Isn't that? Is that like
Yeah.
is that like a cult or something? Well, it's
Anyone been
quite
watching
similar.
Bake Off? Bake Off viewers? Who did you want to win? Are you happy with the winner? If you're happy with the winner, give me a little ooh. Oh, okay, all right. If you weren't happy that I didn't win, give me a ooh.
Oh. Oh.
Come on, this is like bad.
Tough crowd.
I know, right? I don't even know what I'm doing here anymore. God. But no, it was I haven't watched the season, but I've watched highlights on Instagram, and it looks like a fun. I feel like Bake Off has gone back to how it used to be, right? It's gone back to its simpler days, not like the challenges they gave us.
So what are you doing? You're covering the cake,
Yeah, I'm
dummy
covering
cake.
this dummy cake with a bit of buttercream because I don't have my water spray. Otherwise, I would have sprayed it with some water. And this is just so that the fondant can stick to the cake.
And do you use a dummy to just practice on? Is that what it?
I normally like to use real cake because you
Get to eat it.
Well, the thing is that, yeah, you get to eat it, but a dummy cake doesn't feel like a real cake. So if you're always practicing on a dummy cake and then you go to a real cake, you might have some surprises. So I would always practice on a real cake as well as a dummy cake.
Yeah. I guess it's cheaper and you can reuse the dummy
Yeah,
cake so you
yeah.
can get your practice in.
Yeah, did you hear that? The fondant's quite, what was it? Pliable, Renshaw fondant. As I said, I'm an ambassador. I'm doing my job here. They should send me a nice bonus. But yeah, Renshaw. This is not a flag, it's the branding. Yeah, there we go. All right. So yeah, as I said before, I hated fondant because it always ripped. But as you just saw, I literally just slapped this on and just started to. Yes. So some rips here, but that's not the fondant. It's definitely me. All right. We definitely want this to be nice and smooth, but we don't. I'm not in my kitchen, guys, so I just don't have that in me to make it super perfect, you know? Yeah, it kind of feels a bit strange. So many people watching as well. So, yeah. But hey. Normally, all right, actually, question. What would we do to smoothen this out? Who knows? What does this mean, girl? We're gonna, huh? A sander. Sander. Smoother. Smoother. That's right. We'll smooth it with a smoother. Okay, so that's our green fondant covered. So I'm just gonna, no, this don't go on now. Sorry. We're going to use this stencil. You guys gonna help with this bit? Yeah. Another stencil from Amy's Sweet Stamps by Amy Cakes. I always call it Amy Sweet Stamps, but yeah. So this is a cute little stencil, really easy because baking should be fun and not difficult. And now someone needs to pipe a little bit on each one.
And if you're on your own, would you just use a bit of buttercream to stick it? As
I'll
in
use some pins.
pins. Okay, makes
The
sense.
pins with a small ball. Yeah.
But don't forget to take them out.
What, the pins?
The pins.
Yeah. I think that should be fine because once you scrape them, and can we scrape them going upwards? There's a scraper right here. No, that one. No. Palette knife. Palette knife.
Do you need a palette knife?
Yeah, you can scrape up. You can scrape. Yeah, but you got to just get it out of it. What could you use? Here we go. Improvising. No, I think that's okay like that. All right, time for a reveal. A little prayer will help.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Let's see.
Ah, very pretty.
Christmassy. All right, and then we can just, our topper, if I had put it on a stick, I would have it there. You can just slap it on right at the middle.
Ah, the Grinch.
And then we can have some fun with some sprinkles. So you guys can sprinkle along, and I'm going to start getting some letterings out. Who knows how to use this? You? All right, I've never used it. Got loads of it, haven't used it yet. So, Merry Christmas.
So what is it that you've got lettering, did you say?
So I've got some letterings, again, from Sweet Stamps by Amy's Cakes. These are really cute. You normally put them on this plastic thing, and then you put them on the cake, and it embosses the cake.
Right.
My terminology is terrible. Like, I know how to make stuff, but talking about it is a different story. All right?
Oh, so you can kind of get that professional finish.
Yeah. Okay, so, again, sprinkles by...
Amy.
Yeah. Sweet Stamps by Amy. Yeah. So I'm just going to do a bit of a...
What's happening now?
This is snow
Snow.
falling.
Oh. Okay. Oh. So are these letters pre-cut and then you can just...
Yeah.
Okay.
So that
When you
see
want
the
to lift
M
them out
there.
of the tray, you actually use a little bit of fondant. So you put the fondant onto the tray and then it will lift.
Do I do it that? I'll do it that way, right?
Very clever.
I won't do it this way. I'll do it that way, right? Yeah. Right. Hold on. Oh, is it come with a pad? I thought so, but yeah, no. So anyway, you just sort of press into it with the pickup pads. Pickup
Okay.
pads. And then with the pickup pad, you pick it up. Oh, wait, you can't see that. Ah, there's an M
Nice.
for Mary.
M-O.
Oh, yeah. If you line it up in one go and then press it down with a pad, it will emboss it in all in one go. Then you release it. Merry is with 2 R's. You what? Yeah, for the space, yeah. Okay, so you just leave the space and then you put the next R in. And oh, I put Merry really low. Yeah, let's just do Xmas. Or just Merry. Just Merry.
Maury. Oh, Mary. Mary.
Mary.
Very nice. You've not given yourself much room to go.
So you're putting the tiny sprinkles in the cavities to give it a little bit more of a Christmassy zhuzh. Okay.
Very nice.
You what? Yeah. So what Amy has as well, this pen that sort of leaks gold ink into the embossed. It floods it out, so it's really nice. And then you've got a really nice effect. So we don't have that here now. But yeah, simple, simple cake. All you need is the right tools. And you don't need to faff around in the kitchen for too long. You don't need to be the best baker. But you can obviously create something cute for Christmas.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And that's all available here at the Cake and Bake Show, isn't
All
it?
available here at the Cake and Bake Show. I mean, most of the stuff I said. Amy Sweet Stamps, which is right at the end. Pink shop. Renshaw fondant. Keep it right. Renshaw fondant. What fondant?
Sorry, I didn't even hear
wow.
that. I was
That
just
is
nodding
bad.
and
You were
smiling.
listening.
No, it's just
Just wave and smile. Yeah.
yes,
No.
smile and nod.
Smile away.
Smile and nod.
No, I said Renshaw fondant, and I asked you what fondant?
Rachel fondant.
Rachel
Oh,
fondant.
Renshaw fondant. Got there in the end.
All right, cool.
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thanks, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
and thank you
Christmas.
to our 3 bake-off alumni. Thank you so much. We've got more demonstrations coming up.